Let's learn English with Teacher Ann. Project-based learning, DIY Mangrove Tree. Do you know there are 3 types of trees in the mangrove forest with different types of roots? This is one way the trees adapt to the salty and muddy environment. In this project-based learning activity, you will learn about the function of structured mangrove trees using homemade Play-Doh. Ingredients: 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of salt, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, food coloring, and popsicle sticks. Steps to do the activity. First, mix the flour and salt in a large bowl. Stir ingredients together. Second, mix together the water with 5 drops of food coloring and oil. Third, pour the colored water into the flour mix and bring together with a spoon. If the dough feels too dry, add some water. If the dough feels like too sticky, add more flour. Next, knead the dough until the color is fully combined and form a smooth, pliable dough. Then, dust the tray with a little flour. Finally, you can make the mangrove tree using the Play-Doh. Answer these questions. What is the family name of this mangrove tree? What is the name of mangrove's root? And how the roots help the trees stay firmly rooted to the ground. See you in the next video. Thank you.